The soft mask function found within the built-ins in the shaders tab within the effect folder is another way to create a soft mask. So to demonstrate this, we'll use another primitive here. We'll drag a rectangle down and we'll also throw another image onto here. We'll just scale this up a little bit so that we can see it. And we'll go back into the built-ins, into the shaders tab, and drag our soft mask down onto our primitive. Now when we do that, you can see immediately that it creates a vertical edge here, or a vertical mask. So within the soft mask editor, first thing that we have here is the progress. If I want to move this further to the right, I just increase the variable. If I want to move it to the left, I just decrease the variable here. With our progress set, we also have a gradient width. It's set to 5 by default. If I want to make it a sharper edge, I just decrease this gradient width. If I want to make it softer, I just increase the gradient width here. Now the soft mask is only creating a mask on one side from the left side. So if we want to make it come from the top, we'll need to use this rotation setting here, and we can rotate this up to about 90 degrees here, and now it will come down from the top. So once we have the rotation set, we can use the progress again to adjust where we want the mask set. If we want to come from the right side, two ways that we can do this. So we can rotate this to 180 degrees, and now it comes from the right side. Or if we have this reset to our left side again, there's also a invert. So I can turn the invert on, and now it comes from the right side, and we can use the progress to adjust it as well. If we want it to come from the bottom, then we just need to rotate this around to 270 degrees. We can use the progress then to adjust the mask coming from the bottom side. There's also a center X, so when our mask is set to a vertical setting, we can use the center X to adjust the mask that way. We can use the center Y too, but if we have it set in a vertical fashion, we won't notice anything. So again, we may need to use this rotation here and set it to 90 degrees or 270 degrees, and now that we have it set from the top or the bottom, we can use the center Y to adjust that as well. There's a mirror gradient, so we can turn this on, and now it comes from both sides, and if we adjust the progress on this, it will move the mask left and right. And there's also a blank setting with the variable, so we can adjust the size of the mask here when we have it set to the mirror gradient.